Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the time you might be watching. So today we are going to replace the graphic card. Right now it is facing towards the ground and we need to kind of change where it is facing because as you can see here, the graphic card normally have their ARGB, the lighting on the front side, but you cannot see the beauty. So the whole idea is I will get a vertical GPU mount, so that instead of mounting it this way, I will be mounting in vertical. Then we can see those lightings. As for the mount, I picked up a product from a Fractal. This is PCIe 4. As you can see at the back, we have full-length GPU support. It can, and you do have the ARGB version, but I don't wanna add additional ARGB. I just get the GPU, the standard black color, and this is the ARGB version, but this is not actually a mount. I kind of because once it is put in a vertical position, a lot of heavy side would be on the bottom, and that is going to be, in the long run it can get bent. So in order to prevent that, I kind of buy this so you can fit in and it will act as a support. I'm gonna quickly unbox these and then we'll see that. What is inside the box is just the frame and the bolts and nuts and the manual guide on how to fix it. So let's continue with this one. Well, what is inside here is the ARGB frame for support. I think it should be enough. Yeah, it should be. The height, I believe, is good enough to support, and you have the lighting connector and the screw. And last but not the least, the actual I kind of missed out this one. Yeah, so this is the actual PCIe LAN connector. This is where we will put our graphic card here, and we are going to connect this way. Earlier the graphic card was at like this, now it will be like this. Very quick tip: if you are considering using the vertical mount for your GPU, please ensure before you buy that your your computer casing and that is for supporting the mount, okay, or your mount is supported by the casing, whichever is in. For example, in my case, I'm using Lianli O11, which is this part is actually we're going to remove it here, we're going to place it here, so it is kind of, I have confirmed with the store that this casing do support the mount from Fractal, this version. Hence I bought this. So this is very important, because you buy the wrong unsupported one, then you're gonna lose your time and your money. Hey guys, it is finally done, but it is not what I expect. As you can see, the mount the vertical mount is not exactly fitting with the casing, so there's a little bit few millimeter differences shifted. As you can see, I'm using my own pin right there, and according to the design, the GPU is supposed to fit on top here, but my GPU kind of smaller than the actual design, so I kind of worked around and fixed it. And as for the holder, supposed to be put on the floor, the base, and then use either here. Normally people use on the front, but since I would like to have this 3 view, so what I did is I just turn around and put on the side. I'm not sure if you guys can see here. Yeah, it is here, Antec. So the RGB will be shown this side. The 8-pin is connected, but as you can see, it look really ugly. Trust me guys, it's not what it looks. I mean, so shabby and bad. So I need to kind of cover up, as you can see from here, the 8-pin connector. So if you're planning to, you know, use the rack and the vertical mount, please get the flexible, the bendable 8-pin connector. Don't use the stock one. I think is kind of killing it. It's not really good. Hey guys, we have finally finished setting up everything. Now for the sake of viewing, I have removed the cover, which are very glossy, and I kind of have very less lighting here. So anyway, let's boot up and see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. Earlier this was not visible, now it's kind of visible, and as you can see, the fans are off. As far as the well, the mount looks pretty neat. Yeah, that is the ARGB support. It's supposed to be front facing, but I just like it that way. But one thing very unfortunate is this is blocking the RAM view, so it's very unfortunate, but it is what it is. Let's kill the light and see how it performs under the low light. That's all for today, guys. See you again. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.